Welcome where?
Welcome to Krabi.
You have one job.
Say hi.
Hi.
Where are we?
We're at Railay Island paddleboarding.
Yeah.
Or canoeing, or I don't know.
Are you having fun? What you doing?
I don't know.
Huh? No, don't say that.
Why?
No.
Tarantulas?
Yeah. Panther?
Could be tarantulas, sharks. We just got on the train to Kanchanaburi, and we're about 2-3 hours away. We haven't started yet, but it'll be a cool journey out in the countryside of Thailand. The trains are not air conditioned. I'll make it though. We got a nice little fan there. And Kanchanaburi is going to be pretty hot. But it should be pretty cool. So we're just gonna take it easy, take a nap, and enjoy the scenery. I just bought some noodle on the train. Whoa! Tastes like pineapple and mango. Here we are. We rented a motorcycle for the day, and they're really fun. Oh, hello. We're just at the coffee club, and we're going to have breakfast and some coffee.
We can get a free drink if we download the app.
What drink do you want free?
I want caramel super shake.
Let me see. Looks good. Espresso Frappuccino. Good.
is ham cheese cranberry.
Good, huh?
Very good. We are going to play.
But what do you need these for?
It's just like for the how to say Buddhist things that we do, like I don't know what they call in English.
These sticks?
Yeah,
Incense?
incense. You have to have three. What is the meaning of one?
No. What's the meaning of one?
For funeral.
Oh. What's the meaning of three?
Like represents three Buddhas. Not three Buddha. How to say, like the Buddha teach us like they have three things. Yeah. So for the Buddhists we have Buddha and their reasons, and they have monks. So together three of them become Buddhist.
Got it.
So,
We made it to Kanchanaburi, and we're glamping. We're glamping in the jungle. Here is the bed. Looks pretty sweet. Guess what? It's hot as hell outside. Oh, we got full service aircon in here. Look at the view. Just step outside the tent, and it's a great view. Go swimming. There's a tree you can jump off of. Bae's just sitting here doing. What are you doing?
I'm just relaxed.
She's just relaxed.
Tired.
We got nice amenities.
I love it here.
She loves it here. Say it again.
I love it here.
Body lotion for my nose.
For your
A
nose?
little fridge. It's quite spacious in here. I'm standing all the way up.
Wow, they have all of it. Maybe they have like a, what is it? Who gets?
Oh, beer?
Yeah,
And it doesn't come, it's not charged?
the original island beer. Can we have it for free?
Yeah. we can have it for free. Cheers to us.
Yes.
What?
I'm happy.
You are? Me too.
We have a dinner by the river and they have like a live music here.
Wow.
It's so romantic.
Romantic.
Yeah.
We're a romantic couple.
Yes.
กับการเดินทางและกันนะครับผมกำลังเดินทางไป
There, we're going on that. Bamboo rafting. Oh my god.
What? It's cold? Jump and you can hold it.
Have you been in the Kanchanaburi River before?
No, never.
No? Oh god. We have to get back to the boat. Right on. We made it to the River Quay Bridge, and this is the bridge that was built, I think, actually I don't know when it was built, World War II, and there was, I'm pretty sure a lot of people died trying to build it, like prisoners of war and a whole bunch of other like people that they hired to build this bridge. We're gonna walk across it. That's cool. Alright, we're out riding on the street. We happen to see this Buddha temple up here on the cliff. And I don't have my camera stuff, so it's just going to be a phone video, which is fine. But as you can see, it's really, really cool. It's golden. And the trek up here was actually a long way. Not an easy hike, if you want to show. We're not even all the way at the top yet, but the stairs are really steep, like really steep. So it's a pretty cool view. We'll head up to the top now. right?
Yeah.
Are you coming?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. The final ascent to the big golden Buddha in the trees.
Be careful.
Alright. We'll see you at the top. Made it to the top. When you get to the top, you can ring this bell. Did you get the Buddha?
Mm-hmm.
For Buddha, water, food, sandals, flowers.
How do you feel?
I feel like we made a big climb to see Buddha.
Mm-hmm.
How do you feel?
I feel happy, like,
We made it.
yeah, we made it.
We're riding on an elephant right now.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
that's crazy. It's so big. It's so big and high.
What's her name again?
Lala.
Lala.
Suy, đi chá thôi. Chá, suy suy. Vậy đi chá rồi lớp này nào. Nè, khá nè. Chá con, chá, suy, chá, suy.
สวัสดีค่ะ เก่งจังเลย
Bố đi.
Welcome to paradise.
Amazing Thailand.
What?
Amazing Thailand.
Oh yeah, Railay Island.
Yes.
That island was cool. It was like a little pirate town.
Yeah.
There's also like cool restaurants and shops, and we rented a canoe and went up through the jungle and found some cool like bat caves.
Yeah.
It was really cool. A spirit attacked her phone because some pictures we took up there are now missing.
Yes. Maybe because we are like wear a swimming suit go out there.
Oh yeah, we were like walking on the trails and we saw like all these like avid backpackers and like hikers with sneakers and packs on, and we're just like we're struggling on this rope like up this sheer cliff in like flip flops and swimsuits. It was funny.
Yeah, it's a funny story.
And then I drove a motorcycle
And you love it
oh
so
man,
much.
it's so fun. So fun.
Yeah, you love it so much. Like riding on motorcycle.